Okay, this morning we're going to do a quick review of a USB 3.0 to SATA hard drive docking station. And these can be used in several ways. And one of the things I need it for is to back up a hard drive that exists in a laptop. I'm gonna put the new hard drive here, and then I'm going to transfer the system, old operating system onto the new hard drive, and then swap hard drive. So I got a bigger hard drive in there. But there's all kinds of reasons you can use this. You can even use it as an external hard drive, which I'm going to do with another drive that I have kicking around. So what came in the box was the unit itself, the wart power adapter, and a USB 3.0 cable. Now it's marked 3.0, and it's a thick cable, which usually means that it's shielded, which would be nice. The fitting is a unique fitting, and that's a 3.0 connection. Then for the power goodie, that plugs in right next to it. And I'm going to reach over and plug this in. And there's an on-off button here. So let me swing everything around. And when I turn it on, you can't see it here, but there's a little blue light that comes on. I have a drive here. I picked this one up on Amazon on Prime Day for, I don't know, $60 or something, for a pretty nice hard drive. And it just sticks right down in here. Now I'm going to show you let's see if we can get it turned right so that you can see the inside. The connection is right here. And this is just a flap so you can put in a larger drive, because this will handle any drive that's a SATA drive. This guy plugs in. If you put them the right way. And that's it. That's hooked up and running. Now, it's not hooked up to a computer, of course, and that's when a blue light will come on when it's hooked up and everything's going. Easy to turn it on and off. It's a nice little dealio, and like I said, it's really easy to pull this off and put another one in that's a different sizes. I'm real happy with it. It's real basic, and it does the job, and I give it a thumbs up.